Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like Oh, I want something just like this. Quite possible I'm your third man, but it's a fact that I'm the seventh son. It was the other two which made me your third, but it's my mother who made me the seventh son.